Hi guys, it's Mrs. Sauceda. I'm here to show you how to complete your quick write in your digital notebook. So if you finished your quiz and you're ready to do your quick write, you're in the right spot. So first thing you need to go is go to your digital notebook. You're going to open it up. Be patient with it and give it a second to load because there's a lot of stuff in there. Once it's all loaded, you can scroll down to our table of content. And we're going to add something in. Do 9:30, or it could be 10:01 depending on if you are an A day or B day. So 9:30 or 10:01 depending on if you're an A day or B day. The title is going to be Quick Write, and it's going to be slide 10. So now we're going to go to slide 10. But slide 10 is a unit title. So you need to add a new slide. So click on slide 9 and then hit this. You see the plus sign? Next to the plus sign, there's a little arrow. Click that little arrow, and then you can add a new sheet of paper. So we can say whatever color you want. I'll do the green. And so now this is slide number 10. You've created slide number 10. And so for your title here, you can write Force Quick Write. And what you're going to do 1, 2, 3 important vocab words. So 3 words that you think are very important to know when you're learning about force. Then I want you to fill up this whole area writing everything you know about force. You can tell me how force is related to sports, how force is related to tug of war, anything you want. Just it's a quick write, so it's really up to you how you write about force. It's kind of like a free write, almost like a brain bar. So everything you know about force, go ahead and write that down. Include the 3 vocab words in your paragraph, okay? So if you have any questions, let me know. If you need some kind of prompt and you don't want to do a free write, then you could use the prompt. Explain how force, net force, balanced forces, and unbalanced forces relate to tug of war. Okay? So if you don't want to do a free write, then you can use this prompt. Explain how force, net force, balanced forces, and unbalanced forces relate to tug of war. And so you can make it into a story if you wanted. Just make sure you're using your vocabulary words. If you have any questions, then comment, chat, or message me.